In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off read receipts in Microsoft Teams. Read receipts are those little indicators that show other people when you've seen their message. While they can be helpful, sometimes you might prefer a bit more privacy, or you just don't want the pressure of feeling like you have to respond immediately. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to switch it off using the desktop app or the web version of Microsoft Teams. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer, either through the installed desktop app or by signing in through your browser. Once Teams is open, look up to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture there. If you haven't set a picture, it might just show your initials instead. Right next to that, or in the same area, you might also see 3 vertical dots. Those dots are a quick menu for more options. Click either your profile picture or the 3 dots at the top right. This will open a small drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From this list, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open a new window or pane where you can customize how Teams behaves for your account. On the left side of the settings window, you'll see a list of categories such as General, Notifications, and others. What you're looking for here is the Privacy section. Go ahead and click on Privacy. This is where Microsoft Teams groups together options related to your personal data and how you appear to others. Within the privacy settings, take a moment to scroll if needed and find the option labeled Read Receipts. Next to it, you'll see a toggle switch. If that switch is currently turned on, it means other people can see when you've read their messages in chats. To turn Read Receipts off, simply click the toggle so it moves to the off position. Once you've done that, your changes are applied automatically. There's no need to click a separate Save button. From now on, people won't receive a read confirmation when you view their messages in Teams chats. Keep in mind that this also means you won't see read receipts from others since it works both ways. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off read receipts in Microsoft Teams using the desktop or web app.